米饭吃吃吃吃吃吃，米饭甲骨娘娘娘，米饭。
Hi funny video lovers, here's a brand new funny video compilation. Please give us your comments on the videos that are funniest to you. Well, okay then, let's jump into the video.
Ancient Chinese proverbs say, "Man who have fatty will get crushed by roller coaster." Now people, we must understand that like any other race, not all Chinese have sense. So the one day what we just see, I one of the idiot Chinese then.
Ba 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 banana na ba 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 banana banana potato na banana.
Here we have more of the foolest Chinese to ever walk planet Earth.
So daddy, buy me, whoa, buy me.
No, Jesus! No.
And me no.
Ancient Chinese samurai were known for their extraordinary ability to do this.
Urikita kate, urikita kata, shabadu 3, 2, 1. Let it go!